Hello everyone, I'm Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Department of Cybersecurity in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science. In today's lecture, we are going to see about data types. So we already seen the constants and also history of C programming. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about data types. So we have different kinds of data types. So with the help of data types only, we can store our information in our memory location. So here ANSI supports three classes of data types. One is primary, another one derived, and the user defined. Primary is a fundamental data type. It is present in all the programming language. Derived data type means we are deriving the value from some other data types. So that is derived. In user defined, so we are creating our own data type. That is called user defined. So primary data types here we have integers, floating point, character, and void. So these are all the primary data types. So here I have represented a primary data types. We have four types, so that will be given here. So for integer we have signed int, short and long int, and for unsigned int is also there. For floating point, float double, long double is there. For character we have signed character, unsigned character, and also we have a void data type. So these are all the data type mainly used in C programming. So these are all these are called as a primary data type. So here the size of data types are given, represented. Character takes 8, range minus 128 to 127. For integer, 16 bit information is taken, minus 32,000 to 32,000 will be taken. For float, it takes 32 bit. Double, it takes 64. For long double, it takes 80. So likewise, it takes, and the ranges are also different. So here the storage size of that is given. So in the previous slide, I have given with the help of bit combinations. Here I have represented by the help of a byte. So one byte is equals 8 bits. So that is converted here. So first one is indentation type. So it is a whole number. Um, Here we are not using any full stops or special character or comma. Here we have three classes of integer storage: shortened, int, and long int. This may be assigned and unsigned. Next one, floating point. So 4 byte to 32 bit of information can be stored. Here it has a decimal point, so we can use the keyword like float. Next, double precision data type. So mainly for accuracy purpose, we are using double precision. So if float is not sufficient, we'll go for double combinations. For double, it takes 8 bytes or 64 bit of information. Next, for precision data type, we can use the keyword double, and for while void, it specifies no value. So that function will not return any value, or that value will not have any values. So on that place only we'll use this void data type. Next, character type. So single character can be represented with the help of character type. So it can store 8 bit of information. So the unsigned character and character will be used. Next, derived data types. So we have derived data types like arrays, functions, pointers, union, structure. So these are all called as a derived data types. So you want to manage a large quantity of information, or a values means we'll use these kind of derived data types. So array is a similar data items. You want to store multiple data values in a single variable means we'll use array concept. So function is do want a specific task, will use a function, and pointer is used to represent the address of a particular value. User defined data type. So structure and union are called as a user defined data type. So you want to perform any logical task, or you want to group together a particular thing means we'll use structure. And union, it permits a same location but different type of data can be stored with the help of union data type. Next, enumeration. It is used to define variable that can only be assigned certain possible values throughout the program. So here the variable declaration is done. So we have to start with the data type. After that, we have to specify the variable name. If you want to assign values for it, means with the help of assignment symbol, you can assign values for it. So the examples are given here: int, count, float, sum, double, ratio, character, ch. So these are all the simple examples of variable declaration.